I'll wear it on my shirt. Put it on my jeans. I'll put it right here.
Oh, wow. Oh, who wants to visit the store? Pretty.
That's actually a cute store.
It's really cute. I do care what that says.
Okay, when I go, I'm gonna get something here.
I want to go to sleep on this. Isn't this a sexy
I like how we
bed?
just went in a circle. Can we please go to Nordstrom?
Or Sears. Please, Sears. Sears.
We were already in Sears.
But I never got anything because we didn't
I broke down hives.
stupid hives.
Actually, Sears saved you from hives, Allie.
Yeah. If it wasn't for Sears, you would never have noticed your hives, I think. No.
I know we went there to watch Mom.
Did I notice that? We were walking out, you were
took a
itching
while.
your arm. You were itching your arm.
Yeah, I was doing this and like, no, I went like this and it felt all bumpy. It's heck of going away.
Is it? Like your abs? These are adventure mom. Okay, please. I'm gonna go to Sears. I need to get my mom something nice. Did you just like me? No, I didn't. Did they like? Did she like me? Did she? I don't know.
No, I went like,
Oh, I want to see that movie.
oh my god, don't, it's so depressing.
7
You
pounds.
have no idea.
Did you see it?
Yes.
Why
Should I see it then? Do you guys
Now
want
I-
me to tell you what happens?
Yes.
Do you really?
Wait, I can't put it on video because people will get mad.